Launched a new Solana token or Memecoin, but struggling to get attention? No volume, no hype, and zero investor confidence? Introducing Solana Booster, a tool that creates multiple secondary wallets, distributes SOL among them, and automatically buys your token. Instead of doing everything manually, you can generate token activity with just a few clicks and show your project is alive. Choose how many wallets you want to use, 5, 10, or 15. Enter your token address, distribute Solanas across the wallets, and the system buys the token simultaneously with all wallets. You can sell anytime and send profits back to your main wallet. Simple and automated. This helps create more market movement for your token and builds trust and credibility for your project. Want to boost your token's visibility on Solana? Remember, this is not financial advice or a guarantee of profit. It's a tool for managing and automating purchases and sales of your own token.